Hey guys, welcome back to Riri Bakes and Creates. Today I'll be showing you how to cover a cake in chocolate ganache. So let's get started. So you will need some ganache and I'll link that in the description box down below. A cake scraper, acrylic plates or 2 boards of the same size, a spatula, some wax paper and a turntable. Now I'm going to level the cake and cut it in half so that I've got 4 slices. Place the cake plate on top of your turntable and place a piece of sticky tape in the middle. Then put your board on top. Place your cake on the cake board and fill with your choice of fillings. Once that's done, I'm going to apply a generous amount of ganache and spread it on the cake evenly. Place your sheet of wax paper on top, smoothing out any of the air bubbles that appear. Use a spirit level to check that it's straight, and then take the big scoops of ganache and cover the whole cake all the way up to the top of the cake plate.
Perfect. Perfect.
Make sure you put enough ganache that it meets the edges of the cake plates. Now let's take our scraper and scrape away all of the excess ganache. Make sure you clean your scraper every time you take it away from the cake. Keep scraping it until smooth, adding more ganache to any air pockets and scraping again until you're happy.
Perfect. Perfect.
Warm your scraper in warm water and scrape your cake again until you're happy. Use something thin and slide it in between the cake plates and the wax paper to remove it. Slowly remove your wax paper. If there are any air bubbles in your cake, just spread ganache on it and then scrape it back off again.
Perfect.
And there you have your cake. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Use the spirit level to check that it's straight.